Hello, boss. We are PCB assembly manufacturer. Right now, we are in SMT production line. Let's look at this is SMT machine. SMT means surface mounted technology. First, you see, we need to put the components mounted on the board. And second, we can make the smallest components whose footprint is 0.1005. Third, we will just improve the production efficiency. If the prototyping or medium mass production, so we can match our customer. Even there is a small quantity or little components, we can also match the requirements. So if you have any requirements or if you have any questions, so you will leave a message to me. We will happy to support you. Thank you.